we are going to learn about Word. So Word, we will type here Word, Microsoft Word. It will come. We will open it, and when it will open, my license is not there, so it will come like that. So today we will learn about only Home. Okay. Okay. So this is Home. Home tab we can also say. Paste you can know. If I write here, if I write here hello, so we can copy it by control plus A means all, okay, and control plus C means copy. We will cut it. Now the paste icon will come. Now we can paste it many times. See? Okay, so we can now do it. Format painter. Now see, I have written here again hello. So now I have selected it and I have clicked on format paint. We have clicked on the format painter. So it can paint hello hello, so it can paint. So you understand that paste clipboard. So clipboard, this is only the clipboard, and the copied item is hello. So we can like this see the history. Now this is font tab. Font tab means we can see this is language. Now there are many languages, like my favorite is Algina. So I will write here now hello, so it will come in another fonts. So Arial black, I will write hello, it will come in another font. um Mangal, so I will write hello jello. So it is like Arial black only. Okay, now if I want to increase the size of this, so here are the size 20. We can go up to 72 and large also. I will put here 200. Okay, enter. Okay, 200. We can go up to there also where we want to go, and we can do by this also. So this is the we can go. Then these are the size controller only. This is small and this is big and this is small. Now this is uppercase sentence. Lowercase means all the letters small. Toggle case means one big, one small. Then uppercase all. Sentence case means like then sentence it will come. Means first letter is capital. First letter is capital, and second letter will be capital. Each case means big and small. So now we will discuss about bold. See, okay. I will clear on and I will write comments. Comments. So I want to uh, change the style or font. So we will use bold first time. Bold means it will be dark and thick. Italic means it will be tilted, and underlines means it will be underlined. You can see the text is now underlined, bold and italic. You can change the underline also. See, there are the many types of underline here. Underline color you can also change. Red I will take. So red is the comments. Now I will write subscribe. Subscribe. So, okay, now I will write only my name. I have written my name. So I want to, this is italic, underline and bold. So I will now small, big, Andorido. This is glowing. So shadow I want to make this like that. Uh, ref Reflection downside. So you can see the reflection is there. Color red not. I will choose and more colors. Gray. Okay. So this will be my color, and no color, I will give the background color. See, you can see how nice it is looking now. So now I will delete this also. Now we will learn about the paragraph. So I have written paragraph now. Hello friends, how are you? So now I want to give this hello in middle. So it will can be in middle. This all. So I am giving wait. I am giving a title. I am giving a title about friends. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So friends, I want this bigger. So I will do bigger. I want it's this color. So color given. Now this I need uh, left side, middle, right side, or as where I have kept. So I will keep in middle. So about this you understand? Okay. Now I want to give it a number. Means this is one, two, like an bullets. So like these bullets we can give, and we can give according number wise Roman number. So I will give ABC now. A. Now automatic when we will enter, B will come. Which enter. So I will type no number my friend was born. He is my best friend in life. So like this we can give. Now this is what you will. So this is an mover means where we can move the text from here. Okay. Now this is the how downside space means which space we have to keep downside below after that. So one means here only the very low space you can see, and 2.0 is fixed my. So you can write here also. You can write here also anything. Okay. So now paint. So this is background. See, the background has been applied. Box we can make here. Bottom, right border. So I will delete all these first. Okay. So I want to theme, and then I can write here hello guys. So I will like that way we can write. And now I want to see box it. Means which box? Bottom border, inside horizontal border, left top border. So border we can give it. So this is are the headings means titles. Now I will delete this all. So first to delete this. And so heading. So YouTube is a name. So I will first merge it in middle because YouTube is a name. Increase the size, give it a nice color. YouTube is red, so we will give underline cut, italic cut. Now it is looking so nice. So now this is a title. So heading 1 means this one, heading 2, heading 3, heading strong, like this, no spacing, normal. So there are the many headings. So we can give like that. So change styles. Color means built-in color. Now if style set, many style set are there, fine, we have to find some later like yo. So YouTube has been come, YouTube. So YouTube is underlined means if there are will be many lines. So I have searched YouTube. You spelling is wrong. Don't understand feelings. Don't go with the letter. YouTube. So YouTube will be underlined. So like that way. Now we can replace also. Now I have written the YouTube wrong spelling. YouTube. So many spellings are there. Now replace. You find what YouTube. Replace with replace with YouTube. U T U and B E. So replace all. Okay. Replace. Okay. So now YouTube is replaced. Wait 2 minutes. YouTube. You find what UB and replace it YouTube. So it has been replaced now. YouTube. So select all. If there are many select objects like this, object means that we have make select all texts and select section panel. So show all, hide all. It will be visible to all. So for today's video, this is enough. We will do the next video afterwards. And thank you.